Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to get started with accessing your Gumroad library. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gumroad website right here, gumroad.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page, the first thing we need to do is go and log into our account. If you do not already have an account, just go and create one. If you have one, you can just log in normally. So after logging in, this is going to be your dashboard from where we can get started with accessing all the info regarding our own store, as you can see right here, but we also have the info for purchases we made on Gumroad. So to be able to access our Gumroad library, we are going to go ahead and look right here at the left side of the screen. Under Discovery, you're going to see the library option. This is what we want to open up. By clicking library, this is going to enable us to take a look at all the options and products we have bought directly right here on Gumroad. As you can see, currently I have not bought anything, so I cannot see anything, but once I do buy something, it's going to show up here, so we can download, watch, read, or listen to all of our purchases we made. So if you need any more help, you can go to the official help center and find the Gumroad library section. If you need any more info regarding how the library works, what kind of products you can find, and so on, you can go and find them right here. If you're not receiving updates, you can also find similar articles and so on. But basically everything you need is going to be this in the article right here, and you can access it right here directly in the library, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.